people think a yawning dog is simply tired. That's not always true, and missing this can actually cause problems. Dogs also yawn as something called a calming signal. It's their way of trying to diffuse a tense situation before it gets worse. Turns out, dogs often yawn right before they feel truly threatened, stressed, or cornered. If your dog yawns while being hugged tightly or around an unfamiliar kid, that's not sleepiness at all. That's your dog quietly asking for space. Ignoring that signal is often exactly what leads to a bite. So the next time your dog yawns in a tense moment, give them room instead of pushing closer.
Like this video if you yawned.